Do you dare to dream the impossible? To imagine the possibility of creating something unique and influence change?
We do.
We do.
We do.
It's what we live and breathe. Because life's journey provides a rich source of inspiration. At Planet Acoustics and Architecture, we bring your dreams alive, drawing on our past experiences from a distinctly different perspective of how we can and not why.
Our relationships are built on trust and collaboration, one of understanding and working seamlessly together.
From the simple to the complicated.
Creating big results, on time and on budget.
For our clients, the focus is always the same.
To understand your vision and goals and provide a unique, breathtaking solution.
Architecture is a journey. Manufacturing is the way we create. It is the process where we bring your ideas to life. Our team is encouraged to pursue inventiveness, creativity and solutions, building on unrivaled industry experience and manufacturing processes to enable you to participate at all levels, allowing us to inspire, invigorate and create.